Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the last lesson of Unit 9 and that is high leg. So I'm going to highlight it for us. High leg. Alrighty, let's look at leg, meaning a leg of a triangle. High or H, hypotenuse. Let's jump into the do now. Do now says that label the hypotenuse and the leg of the right triangle. You need to explain how can we identify the hypotenuse. This is something that all of you should know. From Unit 5, from Unit 6, from trig ratio, you must know how to identify hypotenuse. Leg, one leg right here, one leg over here. This is the hypotenuse because that is directly opposite from the right angle. Hypotenuse is the side that's opposite from the right angle. Okay, so since your right angle is right here, hypotenuse has to be the opposite. Okay, so today we're proving two triangles are congruent by high leg, meaning that you need the hypotenuse to be proven. It's congruent, and you need a set or a pair of leg that are congruent to each other. If the hypotenuse and one set of legs are congruent, then two triangles are congruent. Hypotenuse, which is line segment AB over here. AB is the hypotenuse because it's opposite from angle C. Is congruent to line segment ED because they are the hypotenuse. And we have one set of leg, which is AC, so line segment AC is congruent to line segment EF because that's the leg. So since I have a pair of hypotenuse are equal to each other, a set of legs are equal to each other, congruent, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by high leg. Not bad, pretty easy. I'm going to go over two questions from today's lesson. The rest are for homework, okay? So the first one that I want to go over is number 2. Number 2 is right here. All right, let's look at it. I need to prove that if these two triangles are congruent. If they are, how do you know? Now, in today's PDF, it's the combination, it's combined with all the 5 methods that we learned. It's not just about high leg, okay? It's a mixed practice. I have a set of angles. I have a set of the sides. I have another set of the sides. So, okay, so let me use the color ink. I got the blue lines right here. And then I got the red one right here. Oh, Mazang. Oh, piece of cake. I got angle. I got one set of sides. I got another set of sides. If you conclude to this, I'm going to tell you that you are incorrect and you owe me 20 bucks. If you didn't remember, there's no in math. So if you tell me that these two triangles are congruent because of this, then you owe me 20 bucks, okay? Please. Yes, don't say that. Don't. Now, we could conclude that this is the hypotenuse because it's opposite from the right angle. So that means that we could conclude that these two triangles are congruent by high leg. H is the hypotenuse, the leg is the other side that are equal to each other. Okay, so this is actually congruent by high leg, not this. Please don't take it serious. I know I like to joke around, but you don't really have to give me 20 bucks. I was kidding. I was joking around. Hopefully none of you are like, Ms. A, I was actually gonna give you 20 bucks. You please don't. All right. The next one I want to go over is number 7. So number 7 is right here. Okay. I got one set of angles right here. The right angle. I got the right angle over here. I got a, let me switch to a different color. I got the angle right here, and I got the angle right here. So far, I have 2 sets of angles. I mean, I could add a little bit more to try a different thing, you know? And then, let's see how that's gonna turn out. I know that this is the hypotenuse, and this is the hypotenuse of these two different two triangles. But did they give me the little mark over here that tells me that those two are equal to each other? They didn't really tell me, right? Did they tell me that these two legs are equal to each other? They didn't really tell me. But they did tell me, well, they didn't tell me, I could conclude from it that this angle is equal to this angle because these two are vertical angles. Then that means I'm going to have angle, angle, angle. Now, people, I'm going to whip back my paper. Is there, oh, let me zoom out because you can't really see. Is there angle, angle, angle in here? They didn't give it to me. This is not one of the methods. So you cannot say that these two triangles are equal to each other, are congruent. Nope. These two triangles are only similar. They are not congruent because there's no angle, angle, angle. If you look back into unit, was it unit 5 about similarity, you're going to see that two triangles are similar to each other by angle, angle. So these two triangles, I mean, they look alike, but they did not give me enough, not enough information to show that these two triangles, that these two triangles are equal to each other. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Now, your homework is the entire paper where you only have 8 questions. Well, I did 2 of them, so you have 6. All right, now kids, stay safe, stay healthy, stay strong. I'll see you guys in the next video.